Over 50. Don't let age make you accept feeling heavy and tired. If you wake up with stiff joints or back aches, heavy workouts will only hurt your body. Just 20 minutes of gentle Tai Chi each day can help reduce stress, melt away pain, burn belly fat naturally, and make you feel 10 years younger every single day. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 1. Hip twist with arm swings. Gently twist your hips from side to side while swinging your straight arms downward in the opposite direction. Feel the deep stretch through your waist, which relieves lower back tension, stimulates digestion, and gently wakes up your hip joints. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 2. Stepping with front and back claps. March gently in place while swinging your arms straight forward and backward to clap. This simple low-impact rhythm burns gentle calories, improves your coordination, and opens up stiff chest and shoulder muscles without straining your knees. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 3. Toe raises with downward arm swings. Reach both arms straight overhead, then swing them downward as you lift up onto your tiptoes. This movement strengthens your ankles and calves, boosts circulation back to your heart, and enhances your overall balance to prevent falls. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 4. Side bend stretch. Place one hand on your hip, gently lean your upper body to the side, and reach the other arm straight up diagonally. You should feel a wonderful lengthening stretch along your side waist, releasing deep spine stiffness and creating breathing room for your ribs. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 5. Torso swings. Keep your arms long and straight, swinging them loosely around your waist as your torso turns, allowing your head to follow naturally. This smooth rotation massages your internal organs, eases middle back tightness, and calms your nervous system. rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 6. Stepping with alternating arm swings. March gently in place, rhythmically swinging your arms up and down alternately. This full-body fluid movement pumps oxygen through your bloodstream, lubricates your shoulder joints, and quietly tones your core and abdominal area. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 7. Opposite high kick toe touch. Lift one leg forward and reach with your opposite hand to gently touch your foot. This low-impact movement activates your core, stretches tight hamstrings, and wakes up brain-body coordination while keeping your joints safe. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 8. Standing hip circles. Place your hands on your hips, slightly bend forward, and rotate your hips in a large, smooth circle, alternating left and right. This gentle rotation lubricates stiff hip joints, relieves lower back tension, and stimulates core circulation. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 9. High knee drives with downward arm swings. Reach both arms overhead, then swing them straight down as you lift one knee high, switching sides. This movement targets stubborn lower belly fat, strengthens hip flexors, and boosts whole body lymphatic drainage. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 10. Alternating arm reaches. Reach one arm straight up toward the sky while extending the other horizontally, then alternate sides smoothly. This stretches deep side body muscles, opens up a tight ribcage, and improves overall posture and breathing capacity. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 11, stepping with front and back claps. Keep marching gently in place, swinging your arms rhythmically to clap in front and behind your body. This classic Tai Chi walk stimulates blood flow to your hands and feet, melts away shoulder stiffness, and uplifts your mood. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 12, hug and open arm swings. Cross your arms to hug your chest tightly, then swing them wide open to the sides, repeating smoothly. This movement releases trapped tension between your shoulder blades, expands your chest, and brings deep emotional calming. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 13, forward bend and overhead clap. Bend forward at your waist, hugging your arms inward. Then stand tall to extend your arms overhead and clap. This smooth wave stretches your spine from top to bottom, releases lower back tightness, and opens up your breathing. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 14, side bend toe touches. Lean your torso gently to one side, reaching your fingertips toward your toes, alternating sides smoothly. This targeted stretch releases stiff side body muscles, frees up tight hips, and relaxes your deep back area. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 15, chest expansion and sky reach. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Extend straight up overhead. Open your arms wide to the sides, lift your chest, and gently tilt your head back. This relieves neck strain, improves posture, and restores vital energy. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 16. Alternating lunges. Step forward into a gentle lunge, keeping your front knee soft, and alternate legs with control. This low-impact exercise strengthens your thighs, builds knee stability, and safely promotes active calorie burn. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 17. Arm reaches with shoulder taps. Extend one arm forward while tapping your opposite shoulder and neck with the other hand, alternating smoothly. This soothing tapping motion stimulates meridian circulation, relieves stubborn shoulder knots, and eases tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 18. Heel taps with elbow bends. Tap one heel forward with your front leg straight, keep weight on your bent back leg, and bend your elbows upward. This functional movement strengthens your lower body balance, tones your arms, and protects your lower joints. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 19. Step back with high knee drives. Step one leg back, then drive that knee up high in front of you, alternating sides with control. This fluid motion strengthens your core stability, fires up your glutes, and improves balance for worrying-free daily walking. Wonderful job today! You just gave your body a wonderful gift of healing and strength. Which movement felt best on your joints today? Tell me in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for your daily practice, and I'll see you tomorrow.